In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create test customers in Stripe. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Before you create anything, make sure you are in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account or switch between projects. Next, switch to your sandbox or test environment. You want to create this customer in test mode, not in your live data. After switching, confirm that the dashboard is showing test data before you continue. This helps make sure the customer is only used for testing payments, subscriptions, invoices, and other workflows. Once you are in the correct test environment, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Customers. This will open the customer list for your test account. On the Customers page, click Add Customer. Stripe will open the customer creation form. In this form, enter a test name for the customer. If your testing setup requires it, add a test email address as well. This can be useful when you are testing receipts, subscriptions, invoice delivery, or customer communication settings. If the form includes a preferred language option, select the language you want to use for this test customer. Then open More Options or any additional information sections if you need to configure extra details. From there, enter any billing information required for your test case. This might include a billing address or other customer details. If your testing scenario involves tax handling, add the customer tax information as needed. If you want to test checkout flows or payments that use delivery details, add shipping information too. If you are creating the customer for invoice testing, review any available invoice settings and configure them as needed. Stripe may offer options related to invoice delivery or other billing preferences, depending on your setup. Before you create the customer, take a moment to review everything you entered. Check the test customer name, email, language, billing details, tax information, shipping information, and invoice settings if you use them. Make sure all of the information matches the testing scenario you want to run. When everything looks correct, click Add Customer. Stripe will save the record and open the new customer profile. After that, confirm that the customer appears in the Customers section of your sandbox or test environment. Your test customer is now ready to use. You can use this profile when testing payments, subscriptions, invoices, and other Stripe features in a safe environment. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.